Welcome to our channel. Today we're diving into a topic that affects so many: back pain. If you've been struggling with discomfort, yoga might just be the remedy you need. In this video, we'll guide you through a quick 15-minute routine designed to bring you relief and ease the tension in your back. Expect a series of gentle yet effective poses that are perfect for young adults looking for a solution that fits into a busy lifestyle. So, roll out your mat and let's begin this journey to a healthier back together. Stay with us and you'll feel the difference by the end of this session. Let's start with a gentle warm-up to prepare your body and enhance flexibility, crucial for relieving back pain. Focus on maintaining good posture and moving slowly through each pose. This session aims to loosen tight muscles and improve your range of motion, setting the stage for deeper stretches later on. Remember, the key here is mindfulness and attention to your body's needs. With each movement, feel the tension in your back begin to melt away, allowing for a more fluid and pain-free experience. By dedicating these few minutes to warming up, you're investing in a healthier, more flexible you. So take a deep breath, relax, and let's ease into this journey of relief together. Up next, we'll dive into specific yoga poses that target back pain directly. Welcome back to our yoga session. Now, we're diving into core poses specifically crafted to alleviate back pain. These postures target and relieve tension in your back, providing the comfort you've been searching for. As we move through each pose, remember the importance of deep, intentional breathing. Let each inhale fill you with energy, and each exhale release tension from your body. We'll start with the cat-cow stretch. On your hands and knees, begin by arching your back like a cat, pulling your belly button towards your spine. As you inhale, shift into the cow position by dropping your belly and lifting your gaze upward. Next, we transition to child's pose. From a kneeling position, sit back on your heels and extend your arms forward on the mat. Allow your forehead to rest gently on the ground. Breathe deeply into your back, feeling the stretch along your spine. Now let's flow into the downward facing dog. With feet hip-width apart and hands shoulder-width apart, lift your hips towards the ceiling. Our next pose is the Sphinx pose. Lie flat on your stomach with your elbows under your shoulders and forearms flat on the ground. Gently lift your chest while keeping your lower body relaxed. This pose opens the chest and strengthens the spine, providing relief to your lower back. Finally, let's move into supine spinal twist. Lie on your back, bring one knee across your body, and extend the opposite arm out to the side. Remember, each of these poses can be modified to suit your comfort level. Embrace the process and listen to your body's signals. With every breath, you're inching closer to relief. Stay tuned as we transition into a relaxing cool-down segment where we'll solidify these benefits and leave you feeling rejuvenated. As we transition into our cool-down segment, gently bring your focus inward. Feel the rhythm of your breath as it flows smoothly, releasing any lingering tension. These calming poses are designed to help your body absorb all the benefits of our routine, providing you with a profound sense of relaxation and mindfulness. Embrace this moment to let go of stress, allowing your mind to settle and your body to unwind. As you hold each pose, imagine the stress melting away, replaced by a serene sense of accomplishment. Reflect on how far you've come in just these few minutes. This is your time, your reward for the effort you've invested today. Let each breath deepen your relaxation and enhance your mindfulness, grounding you in the present moment. Remember, this is more than just exercise. It's a gift to yourself. As we conclude, carry this piece with you and know that these moments of calm can be revisited anytime you need them. Transitioning from this state of relaxation, prepare for our final thoughts where we'll wrap up and invite you to join us for more wellness journeys. Great job today. You've just completed a powerful routine designed to alleviate back pain, taking an important step towards a healthier, more flexible you. Remember, the key to lasting relief is consistency. By incorporating these poses into your daily life, you'll not only feel better, but also build strength and resilience in your back. Yoga isn't just about the physical benefits. It's a journey toward overall wellness, helping to balance both body and mind. So why not make it a part of your everyday routine? If you found this session helpful, there's more where that came from. we invite you to subscribe to our channel for more quick and effective wellness routines. Stay connected with us for tips, tricks, and exercises that fit right into your busy lifestyle. Thank you for joining us on this journey today. We hope to see you again soon. Until next time, take care and keep moving towards a healthier you.